With the recent Bitcoin bull run, you might be wondering, how can I put crypto in my retirement accounts? This is actually super easy. I have a Wealthfront Roth IRA, and in that retirement account, I have an ETF that's made up entirely of Bitcoin called the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. I have Wealthfront linked in the description. It's not an affiliate link, and it usually just takes a couple of minutes to open an account. The only downside to doing it this way is that Wealthfront prevents you from having more than 10% of your account invested in crypto. But for me, this is actually perfect because the only reasons that I have crypto in my retirement accounts is because it's extremely volatile and it's usually not correlated with the rest of the market. See, the reason that having portions of your investment accounts in assets that are extremely volatile is because by using dollar cost averaging and automatic rebalancing, you are able to buy low and sell high. If you're like me and you've invested in crypto on your own before, you've probably bought towards the peak and panic sold as it was crashing. But over the last couple of years, by having crypto in my Wealthfront retirement account, the auto rebalancing has forced me instead to buy towards the bottom and sell towards the top. And in fact, it's December 20th, 2023 at the time of filming this, but I will likely end the year with a 40% gain in my retirement accounts because of this strategy. And none of this is investment advice, but if you want to see my full retirement account strategy, then subscribe and click on this video here.